Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're going to take a look at GearSketch. Great for engineering, great for science class, where you can go ahead and draw a circle like this. Draw another circle, whoops, like that. And then you could even drag them over like this. I'm going to draw another one. Drag this one here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead up here, and you can see kind of the circle go this way. And you can see what happens and what happens to the gear. Now, if you want to remove one, let's remove that one. You can just go ahead and do that. If you'd also like to show a little tutorial, you can go ahead and you can see the demo here. They will take you through what it looks like. So I'll just show this little bit here. You can see you can even drag the gear inside of the gear and then have that gear connect to that gear. And then go ahead and have the whole thing circled just like that. And then, how great is this? Pretty cool for kids to be able to see. And then, of course, just like before, you can go ahead and remove the gears that you'd like to. So there you go. If you do have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.